Welcome back to my vlog. This is the economy accommodation. Look at my cars. I wanna capture some sunset. Some sunset here. Glory. Kasi glory ng face ko ang sunset. Hi guys. That's the... No, not sunset. It's sunrise. Sunrise here. I mean, see? Like ferry. Cruise ship na bangka. I just woke up. Look at my face. This is the economy accommodation. Ang busy-busy, right? Daghang tao, guys. Pangit ng face ko. Tinginan sila, guys. Hindi ako sanay mag-vlog na madaming tao. Remember, I'm always alone in my room. Okay, I want to tour you around my cruise ship. Tourist ano na siya, economy accommodation, the cheapest one. I think nasa ano siya, 1/4. And then the tinginan sila, ano si Ivano ba to? Tapos ang ang tourist my accommodation is 1/6 plus something. Okay. Meron pang isang isang cruise ship, ang laki nito. I can't talk. Many people looking at me. Balik na ako sa ako. I will go back where I belong. Okay guys, join with me in my journey. Join with me in my journey. I'm alone, all by myself. Shout out to my vlog, mga gwapo, mga gwapa. Tanaw sila. Sila sa mga babae na buwang dere. Wala akong mas. Ako ay isang matapang na babae. Ay! Mahulog, log, log, log. Mahulog, log, log, log. Ang taba ko. Mahulog. Saluin mo ako. Road karaoke. Han, 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 han. Hulog, 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 hulog. Ah! Mahulog ako. Nabutas na yung ko. Ganun ang duri ng mukha ko. Bakit naka-settings ng camera? What happened? Balik na ako to where I belong. Taba-taba ng ko. Nahulog ako. Sinalo mo ako, hindi. Sinalo mo ba ako? Ito po yung accommodation ko. It's a tourist. Kasi dati, always ako sa economy. Kaya parang ang daghan kong tapad ba? Daghan kong tapad. Kinda crowded. Here, a bit ano siya. Quiet and peaceful life. I want some peaceful life, remember? Para naman. Nagtanaw mga people. Oops. Okay, I will go back to my bed. I'm 84 tourists. I'm alone by myself. Ayo. Tiring. Tulog na tayo guys. Grabe katambok. After I eat a lot of rice, this is how I look guys. May butas sobrang taba. Bye! Thank you for watching. This is your Witty Bonita. Thank you for watching. This is your Witty Bonita.